Is your window AC struggling or making sounds you've never heard before? Here's the quick way to know whether you should repair it or replace it.
Repair it if the unit's under 5 years old, the issue is minor, like a dirty filter or clogged coil, or the repair is cheap, usually under $100. Replace it if it's 8 to 10 years old, keeps breaking down, has a major problem like a refrigerant leak, or your electric bill keeps climbing even when your usage hasn't. And remember the 50% rule. If the repair costs more than half the price of a new unit, upgrading usually saves more in the long run.